Do you have an old USB game controller lying around? You can finally make it useful with this Gamepad to Key Mapper. This tool lets you map buttons from your controller to different keyboard shortcuts, allowing you to speed up your workflow significantly. The process is simple. Just double-click the .exe file and attach your Gamepad. It can also be attached beforehand. The app will detect the device and display it. You can test it immediately by pressing buttons. The app will log your key presses in the window. To map a key, simply click the mapping button, press the desired button on your Gamepad, and then perform the keyboard shortcut. For example, Ctrl+C for copy. It will appear in your list immediately. You can do the same for Ctrl+V, paste. Now you can use your Gamepad for quick copy-pasting. This is especially useful for complex shortcuts. Instead of awkwardly pressing Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus V, you can map that entire sequence to a single button. A few things to note. Currently, the app only supports buttons, not joysticks, but most gamepads have at least 4 buttons, giving you plenty to work with. The program is designed to start automatically with your computer, so you can set it and forget it. Key bindings are stored in a JSON file next to the executable, making it easy to transfer your shortcuts to different computers. I hope you enjoy this little app. It's an easy way to turn a Gamepad into a productivity powerhouse. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on 1minutevideotutorials.com.